Welcome back. It's January 1st. We got a new gimbal. We got a new mic. We're going to head down to the woods here by my house, test them out, shoot some videos, do a little yamadori scouting, look for some clay, some rocks, whatever we can find. Let's head down there. This trail is right down here at the end of my street. I go down here every winter, look for trees. A lot of honeysuckle, ash, sycamore, maple, elm. See what we can find. So my woods are pretty thick. There's no trails in them. They're right by my neighborhood. So there is a creek back here. That's where we're headed. All right. One thing that we have a lot of here is this wild grapevines, and they're everywhere. And some of them are pretty fat and gnarly, and this year I might collect one. And we got some right down here. They're pretty much everywhere. Might get one. There's an owl in here with me. Do you see it? Right there. Ooh. There's the owl. Right there. This is a little spot where some good honeysuckle grows. Found quite a bit of honeysuckle here last year that looked cool and had cool nabari. So, might wander around in here, try to check it out. These kind of clumps, when you dig them down, they have pretty cool nabari usually. Look at that. That tree was standing last year. It has fallen. Its beard is still hanging down. It's pretty cool. All right, here's our first interesting find. I like it. It's got roots all the way around it. It's pretty awesome. Not sure what kind of tree it is. The bark is pretty cool. It's pretty good size around. Some dead wood on it. It's got a good flair. It's a cool little tree. It's gonna get a tag. So when I find a tree that I want in the woods, I bring this pink tape with me and put a mark around it, so that when I come back in the spring, I can find it. This one's getting it. I know it's straight as an arrow, but maybe if I chop it, we can get something to grow out of it. don't even know what kind of tree it is. It's pretty awesome. You made the list, buddy. Look at the yamadori on this big old honeysuckle. It's huge. That would be a fun one. Come here with my saw. Chop it. Dig it up. Little sumo honeysuckle. That might be a fun one to get. I don't think anybody would be too upset about me taking honeysuckle out of here. Yeah, let's give it a flag. There's a hiking trail right over there. So I kind of keep a low profile when there's people going by. This is one of my favorite spots to find rocks. There's a pretty good amount of them here. Nice flat ones, big ones. I throw them in my garden. Free rocks out of the creek. Can't beat it. Well, I got a pretty good pile of rocks here, nice flat ones. Might find a couple of other small ones. It's gonna make for a heavy backpack. I might not take them all. I have to pick and choose. I gotta hike back to the house. But I can stack them up on the side here and come back for them another time. I found some cool rocks. I didn't find too many trees today. A couple that I liked. This little rock is really cool. This little rock is pretty cool, and it's nice and flat, so you can set it in a pot. I found all these flat rocks. I'm gonna take a few of them home with me. I don't know if I'm gonna take this giant one today. It's heavy. I like these flat rocks from my garden. That's why I take them. Some are freaking heavy. It's gonna be a heavy backpack today. It's a beast. Might be all I want to put in there today. All right, that's going to do it for today. I only found like 2 or 3 trees that I'm even thinking about coming back in here and getting. But we'll come back in again. I did find a backpack full of rocks, so that's pretty cool. And that guy never stopped using his leaf blower. That's just the way it goes. Happy New Year.